You are enjoy watching I Love My Body TV, health and beauty tips for all. Hi friends, how are you? I pray to God for you to be healthy. This is your favorite channel, the channel that gives you useful health and beauty tips. Okay, watch this video about how to prevent AIDS. Tips number 1. AIDS, otherwise known as acquired immune deficiency syndrome, is a life-threatening disease which kills adults and children every single day. It has devastating consequences and currently is unable to cure, making it all more frightening and shocking. AIDS is a disease of the immune system which is caused by HIV, which is otherwise known as human immunodeficiency virus. A diagnosis of HIV can be devastating news for anyone. The condition is prolonged and takes time to weaken the immune system, leaving sufferers of the illness susceptible to other illnesses such as the common cold, which due to the weakened immune system of AIDS sufferers can be deadly. An individual suffering from AIDS or HIV is also more susceptible to tumors. Meaning routine checkups are needed after a diagnosis, leading to a life of hospital appointments. HIV can be transmitted through full-on contact of the mucous membrane, such as mouths, lips and genitals, and can also be transmitted through full-on contact with an infected bodily fluid. These fluids can be blood, semen, vaginal fluid and breast milk, meaning that HIV and AIDS can be passed through to a child throughout pregnancy and throughout breastfeeding. The contact of these fluids can happen throughout different activities including anal, vaginal or oral sex, a blood transfusion or the exchange of infected needles, which would commonly be more associated with drug use. AIDS symptoms often lie dormant until the disease is in its more advanced stages, meaning that a diagnosis of AIDS can be even more devastating when the time left is short. Sufferers from AIDS have an increased risk of developing cervical cancer in female sufferers and cancers of the immune system such as lymphoma. AIDS in its more advanced stage come with symptoms such as fevers, sweats, swollen glands and weakness. Weight loss is also a common symptom of an AIDS sufferer. AIDS sufferers are also more susceptible to pneumonia as well due to the weakened immune system. AIDS is truly a life-wrecking illness for everybody involved. Since there is no cure for AIDS, the best way to decrease the spread of it and stop others contracting it is with prevention methods. Some of these methods include safe sex, being responsible and using a condom. Sexual relations are one of the main causes of AIDS transmission and a condom could save lives. It is proven that unprotected sex is responsible for the AIDS pandemic all over the world. A male or female condom would suffice. People working in the healthcare industry also can do their bit in stopping the transmission of AIDS and HIV by following precautions and using the appropriate safety equipment to keep the illness from spreading. Also, it has now been said that mothers who are suffering from HIV or AIDS should avoid breastfeeding their child as to prevent the child from contracting the illness as well. This is what any reasonable parent would do for their child if they knew it could save their life. Overall, AIDS is a life-wrecking disease and it is nothing to be ashamed of. Yet the prevention of it is so simple that people don't need to be dying every day from this disease. AIDS doesn't only affect one person, it spreads like a fire and can affect thousands. So think and use precautions so you don't become a sufferer too. Okay friends, like this video, share your friends, tell your comments the comment box. Click on the subscribe button below to see new videos. Also press the bell button. Read description for more information. Thanks for watching.